Hello children, this is your grade 5 social science chapter 6, the Indus Valley Civilization, video 1. Yes, your first topic is early civilization, right? You have studied about early human life in your previous classes. Early men used to live a nomadic life. Nomadic life is nothing but they'll be always moving from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. Okay. They often practiced shifting cultivation and foraged and hunted for food. They would live in small groups. They made tools to make their work easier and moved from one place to another. Yes, I told you, no, they have lived a nomadic life. As time went on, people began to settle down in one places. Okay, that means permanent settlements. People in these communities began to live an advanced life where they had well-made homes, well-developed sciences, occupations, trade, etc. Thus, a civilization came into being. First of all, you have to know what is a civilization. A civilization is a group of people living together. What is civilization? Civilization is a group of people living together and that has evolved in written language, religion, different occupations, village communities and cities, art and craft, culture, social hierarchy, sciences, trade relations, and government. Some of the earliest civilization developed near the rivers. That is why early civilization is called as river valley civilization. Whatever the civilization is, it is called as river valley civilization. The main reason for this was that rivers provided water and rich soil for the crops to grow. Surplus food from agriculture helped many people to live in cities. People engaged themselves in different crafts like pottery, art, sculpture, jewelry making, and many others. People also used the rivers to travel from one place to another place as water transport. Okay. There were many civilizations in the ancient world that had developed around the rivers. We know about these civilizations from the paintings, pottery, jewelry, toys, and beautiful artifacts found in the ruins of the civilization. Ruins is nothing but evidences which we have got from our archaeologists. Okay. One such civilization was the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization located on the fertile floodplain of river Indus. Okay, let us learn more about this Indus Valley civilization in this lesson. So, the river Indus flow through three countries: India, Pakistan, and China. Okay. For thousands of years, the ruins of the Indus Valley civilization lay buried under the ground. In the 1920s, archaeologists started digging near the river Indus. So, river Indus flows through three countries: India, Pakistan, and China. During the excavation, they discovered the huge city of Mohenjo-daro. Since then, other cities and many artifacts have been found. It is only because of these artifacts, which were found by the archaeologists, that have been able to learn about the ancient Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization existed between 2500 BCE. BCE is nothing but before Common Era. 2700 BC. This is what the period of Indus Valley civilization. During this time, other civilizations were developing in other parts of the world, like Tigris, Euphrates civilization in Mesopotamia, Nile Valley civilization in Egypt, and Huanghe civilization in China. All the civilizations are called River Valley civilization because they flourished near the rivers. And these people were very good in town planning. These people were very good in town planning. They were good in town planning, and such a system of town planning was not to be found anywhere in the world at that time when comparing to Indus Valley people. As come to location, the Indus Valley civilization was spread over large comprising parts of Pakistan and India. The main civilization was situated near the river Indus and its tributaries. Therefore, it was named as Indus Valley civilization. This Indus Valley civilization is also called as Harappan civilization because the pattern of life in Harappa, okay, resembles like Indus Valley civilization people. Okay, it is also called Harappan civilization because the pattern of life in this civilization resembles that of Harappa. So both have many similarities. Okay, children. Okay. So children, based on this video, there are few questions. Answer the following questions. First one, what is a civilization? Second one, why were early civilizations called the River Valley civilization? You have to give the reason. And the Indus Valley civilization was spread over a large part of Das and Das. You have to write the country name. Okay. The next one is Indus Valley civilization is also called the Das civilization. And write a short note on town planning of Indus Valley people. For this question, if you want to refer your content book, you can refer page number 83 for answer. Okay.